sure you bring her down.
Happy birthday to you.
That is for Nana Butler.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh. Happy birthday, dear
Dear Nora.
Nora. Happy birthday to you. How old are you going to be? How old are you going to be? So you do this. Show Dad. You're going to be, no, 2.
Baby?
No, Nora, here. Open your presents. Look, what's in here? What did Nana send us? You. I don't know. What's in here? What's in here? What do you have there? A piece of tape? Oh, thank you. I'll take that. Here, I'll open the card. Oh, look. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. It says, Nora, twice as bubbly, twice as playful, twice as sweet. That's you. Hope your second birthday will be twice the giggles, too. Can't see. What are those pretty flowers? Yes, it's happy birthday to you. I don't know. Let's see what's in there. Can you unwrap it? Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a little, looks like a purse. It's like a bag. And what's in the bag? Is that a puppy? Here, let me get the tag off so you can pull the puppy out. Just hold on 1 second. So I need to go all the way through. There you go.
He's a nice puppy.
Wow. Wow, that's pretty neat, huh? Oh, look, it's strapped in. You've got a Velcro strap. There. Oh, look.
Can you give a nose kiss?
You can carry your puppy in this little bag. It's like a little puppy in a carrier. And then you can go, that's where it's like a doll bed. You've got a puppy carrier. Oh, what else is in there? Look, there's something in this bag. So let's open that one. Oh, what's in there? Oh, look, Nora. You got rain boots.
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 Can you say boots?
Oh, how cute these are. Oh, my goodness. Leave it to Nana Butler to find the cutest rain boots ever. Nora, what's on the toes of these boots? Look, what's on those boots? What is that? Oh, we have to try these on. The ladybugs, which are so cute. Oh my goodness. What's that? Can you get the paper off? Good job. I'm just going to put Puppy back in the right. Oh, this is really cute, Nora. Oh. What is it? Let's see. Yeah, I'll help you with the lid. There you go. What's in there? Oh. What is it? Is it a shirt? Oh my. Look, maybe we'll wear this to our birthday party. What's it say?
Show it.
I'm 2. It's got your name on it and a cupcake. Look how cute that is. That's her name, Nora. Oh, that's so cute. Wow, Nora, that's pretty cute. Is it, here, I put the, here, see, you can Velcro him so he stays in. He won't jump out of this bag. There's still more in here. Still more in here. Ooh.
Jewelry?
Yes, but I don't think those are for Nora. Oh, yeah, let's try these boots on.
How do you know? You taking your daughter's jewelry already?
I know. She'll take
Like
mine.
mother, like daughter.
Oh, you stand up? Oh! Whoa, look at those boots. What do you think? Can you walk in them?
You like them? Let's see you walk around.
Wait, march. Can you march?
Let's see you march.
Pretty cute boots. Can you see you march? What are you doing? What are you looking at? You still have 2 more presents in here to open. And I want to see you walk in your boots. Oh, you can walk. What are you? Okay, here, I'll take it out. Ooh, that's a heavy box. It's a heavy box. Get the ribbon off. Oh. Here, I'm going to just help you slip it off. How about that? That's pretty paper, isn't it? Oh, okay. You don't want the puppy in this bag? In this carrier? That's a cute purse. Can you get the paper off? Mm-hmm. Here. Use the scissor to tear it open. There you go. Mm-hmm. Doing a good job. Uh-oh. This looks like a fun game. Here's your puppy. Now watch. What's in there? Ooh, alphabets and numbers. Oh, this looks like fun. Oh, they're all wrapped up. That's fun. It's a puzzle, Nora. It's a puzzle. Hmm? It's a puzzle. Gonna open it? Okay. It's all wrapped in plastic. There's another box in there. Here. What letter is that? What is that?
A.
Very good. What letter is that?
C.
Well, that's what letter? That's C. What letter is this one? What is that?
A.
Oh, that's A. You're not saying this letter. Oh, you're being good. That's a B.
B.
B. Cut the plastic. This looks like a fun game. Oh, it's a puzzle. See? See, you can put them apart. Look, D is for dog. See? Can you put the pieces back together? What letter is that? What is it? No, you were right the first time. It goes right here. See? Put it back together.